Guess what? Today we are talking about something golden, argan oil, the liquid gold of beauty. Stick around till the end because I've got a weird and funny fact for you. You won't believe this one. Hi there! If you are new or don't know me yet, I'm Layla and welcome to Life and Beyond. We are talk life, love, and little Gen X magic. So, what's argan oil? It comes from the nuts of argan tree, found only in Morocco. Yep, straight from nature's beauty lab. Hair magic. Want shiny, strong hair with no split ends? Argan oils got you covered plus. It protects against heat damage. Skin saver. Dry skin, acne, fine lines. This oil is a natural moisturizer and fights signs of aging. Nail strengthener. Weak, brittle nails. Say hello to strength and goodbye to breakage. Antioxidant power. Oh, and it's packed with vitamin E, which fights free radicals and keeps your skin glowing. And here it is the crazy fact I promised. Ever seen a goat in a tree? Well, in Morocco, goats actually climb argan trees. But why? They love the taste. Argan fruits is like a delicious snack for them, so they'll do anything to reach it. They're amazing climber. Moroccan goats are pro at balancing on tree branches like acrobats. Food is scarce on the ground. In dry areas, there are not much food to eat, so they've adapted to climbing tree for food. And here is the weirdest part. When goats eat the argan fruit, they can't digest the hard pit. Farmers used to collect these pits from their poop. Yeah, really. To extract argan oil. Don't worry, though nowadays we have way more hygienic methods. Loving these beauty hacks? Hit the subscribe button for more Gen X secrets. So, argan oil? Total game changer. Have you tried it? How do you use it? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear. It's really hard without your support. Your subscribe can make a huge difference for me.